Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language. I'll stay with English, then tap get started. Next you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have one you can just skip the step and insert SIM card later. Next you can backup or copy data from your previous device, but if you don't have one or you just don't want to copy your data, you can set up this device as new. Next you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you, you can just don't use any networks for setup and just connect to the Wi-Fi later. Next you have Google services. If you want, you can leave them. If you don't want, you can just disable them here. But in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Next, you can set your date and time. Next, you can enter your device's name here. Next, you can set up protection for your device. It could be pattern, PIN, password, or you can just skip the step for now and do it later in settings. Here you can add your Google account, but you can set up it later in settings. And for the last thing, you have to accept privacy policy of WIKO services. Then you can register your WIKO account. If you want to register it, tap here, but you can skip this step anyway. And that's it. Now your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.